world where electric mobility is rapidly evolving, the 2026 3SCORE Electric Fat Trike is redefining what it means to ride in comfort, power, and style. This isn't just a tricycle, it's a revolutionary blend of electric power and utility that makes urban commuting and off-road adventures equally thrilling. And here at EvanRide, we're diving deep into what makes this e-trike a standout. In the EV space, let's start with what immediately catches your eye: the design. The 3SCORE Electric Fat Trike doesn't look like your average e-bike. It features a robust frame made of 6061 aluminum alloy, ensuring durability without weighing it down excessively. The low step-through frame offers easy access for all age groups, whether you're 18 or 80. With fat 4-inch wide tires on all three wheels, this trike grips onto sand, snow, gravel, or pavement with confidence, giving you a smooth ride no matter where you're headed. Now, let's talk power. The 2026 model is equipped with a powerful 750W rear hub motor, peaking up to 1,200 watts, making it capable of handling inclines and heavy loads without breaking a sweat. Whether you're running errands, hauling cargo, or cruising through a park, the 3SCORE delivers the torque you need. It's paired with a 48 volts, 17.5Ah lithium-ion battery, giving riders a generous range of up to 45 miles per charge on pedal assist, or about 30 miles on pure throttle mode. Charging takes roughly 5 to 6 hours, making overnight charging practical and efficient. The pedal assist system features 5 levels, allowing riders to customize the experience. Want a light workout? Drop it to level 1. Need a boost on your uphill commute? Crank it to 5. There's also a thumb throttle for those days when you just want to cruise without pedaling. The Shimano 7-speed gear system works seamlessly, with the pedal assist to offer smooth transitions, even on uneven terrain. Comfort isn't sacrificed either. A wide padded saddle with back support and adjustable handlebars makes long rides enjoyable. Combined with front suspension and fat tires, this trike eats up bumps in the road and glides like a dream. Safety-wise, it comes with dual rear mechanical disc brakes and a front disc brake system for responsive stopping power. Integrated LED headlight and brake lights enhance visibility during low-light conditions. Storage and utility are a major plus on the 3SCORE. It has a large rear cargo basket, perfect for groceries, deliveries, or even a pet carrier. Need to take a picnic out to the park or deliver packages around town? This trike turns your errands into experiences. There's also an optional front basket for even more storage space. Tech's AV features include a bright LCD display showing speed, battery level, trip distance, and pedal assist level. USB charging ports are built in so you can keep your phone or GPS powered on the go. And with anti-theft locking mechanisms and a durable build, security won't be a concern either. One of the best things about the 3SCORE Electric Fat Trike is how inclusive it is. Whether you're a senior looking for stability, a delivery rider needing carrying capacity, or a commuter who wants comfort and sustainability, this e-trike ticks all the boxes. And let's not forget it's eco-friendly. Zero emissions, low operational cost, and no reliance on gas make this not only a smart personal investment, but a responsible environmental choice. In summary, the 2026 3SCORE Electric Fat Trike isn't just an alternative ride, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Whether for fun, function, or freedom, it opens doors to a new way of moving. And here on EvanRide, we're proud to spotlight innovations that move the world forward, one electric ride at a time. Thanks for riding with us, and as always, stay charged, stay curious, and keep watching EvanRide for more electric revolutions.